Have you ever dreamt of making money online but didn't know where to start? If I told you that one of the easiest, most effective ways to make money online is through affiliate marketing? Today we're diving into how you can start making money right away without a huge upfront or any investment at all. Affiliate marketing is basically promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. It sounds simple, but what makes it so appealing? For one, you don't need to create your own product or handle customers. You're essentially the middleman. But you might wonder, how do you actually get started? And more importantly, how do you get traffic to your affiliate links? First things first, you'll need to choose a niche. This is crucial because you want to promote products that you are genuinely interested in and have some knowledge about. It could be anything from health and fitness to tech gadgets. Next, you need to join an affiliate program. There are many out there like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Digistore24, Max Bounty, Warrior Plus, Impact, PartnerStack or Offer Vault. Once you've signed up, you'll get unique affiliate links to the products you want to promote. Alright, now that you've got your niche and links, how do you drive traffic to them? One popular method is blogging. Create a blog related to your niche and write valuable content. Include your affiliate links naturally within your posts. Let me give you an example. If your niche is fitness, write blog posts like 10 best workout equipment for home gyms. Use your affiliate links to the equipment you mention in the article. That's one way. But blogging isn't the only way. Social media is a goldmine for traffic. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and Pinterest can help you reach a massive audience. For example, if you're into tech gadgets, post reviews or unboxing videos on YouTube. People love to see real-life reactions and insights before making a purchase. Include your affiliate links in the video description. Another powerful method is email marketing. Build an email list by offering a free guide or ebook related to your niche. Send them valuable content regularly and occasionally recommend products using your affiliate links. And don't forget about SEO. Optimize your blog posts and videos so they rank higher on search engines. This will bring you organic traffic without having to pay for ads. Speaking of ads, running paid advertisements is another way to get traffic quickly. Facebook ads, Google ads, and influencer shoutouts can skyrocket your affiliate earnings. But be cautious. Start with a small budget and test different strategies. You might be thinking, all this sounds great, but does it actually work? Let me share a quick story. A friend of mine started a small blog about vegan recipes. She joined an affiliate program promoting kitchen gadgets. She created content consistently, shared her blog posts on social media, and built an email list. A year later, she was earning enough to quit her day job. And she never created a product herself. So yes, it's totally doable. But remember, consistency is key. The more value you provide, the more people will trust you and your recommendations. So, if you're ready to try affiliate marketing, get started today. Choose a niche, join an affiliate program, and begin creating valuable content. And don't be discouraged by slow beginnings. Persistence pays off. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends who might also be interested in making money online. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss any of our future tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.